This little one is Gordo. Oh, and then another Gordo out there. So this one is Canela. Canela is one of the rescues. Here we have Huesos. Huesos is considered one of the guard dogs. There are several guard dogs that we have. So these are dogs that have been rescued that we now use to guard the property at night. So at night, somebody is always out in the yard protecting from, I don't know, creatures, people, whatever, but they're called the guard dogs. This is Luna. She's one of our hotel overnight residents. This is Güero. She's also up for adoption, so if anyone's interested, let me know. Falco is always filled with energy and happy to see anybody. There's Falco again. This is the backside of Falco's enclosure. And he's got a nice view over here to Murcia. And Murcia is in the space. I don't really know the story behind this thing. It must be left over from the restaurant was here. It almost looks like a little miniature golf setup. But anyway, it's one of the spaces we use for the dogs now.
Canela.
One of the best things about staying in a dog hotel and resort is being ensconced in dogs. So that's pretty much what brings me the greatest happiness. The greatest happiness of being here. So anyway, it's a nice way to spend some more time in COVID. They do give me the bed to stay for free in exchange for the work that I do every day. It's about 3 to 5 hours of work a day. So anyway, it's been a great experience and a way to get myself through COVID-19.